And I say the same thing every single time. Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could do it real big, bigger than you ever done it. Keep me up on everything. Other hoes ain't never on it. I want this forever. I swear I can spend whatever on it.
I was in that gym for way too damn long, girl. Way too long. It looked like it's gonna rain or something. I don't really know. So my camera's dying, you guys, but I'm getting ready to go into Verizon because I really want to get my aunt a phone for Christmas. Hopefully they have the new iPhone 14, 13, whatever. I don't care. Just something new, because sis got the 6, and sis be really looking out for me and my kid, my whole family, my mama, everybody. Like, so your girl gotta come through, okay? I gotta come through with the come through. So I'm gonna talk to you guys once I get home, change my battery. So it is hours later, y'all. It's 6:42. I'm actually getting ready to edit this vlog so that it can be up on time today, because yesterday I kind of got off track, girl. I went to go finish running my errands, wrap the Christmas gifts like I was telling you guys, and I didn't get home till like real late, girl. So I was like, you know what, I'ma still upload my video. Y'all saw that video uploaded like almost 2 o'clock a.m. but I was up to like 5 o'clock, y'all. I feel like lately, I don't know, I've been having insomnia, like not being able to go to sleep, And then like it's hard to not stay asleep, but when I get to sleep, if my phone rings or something like that, girl, I'm up. Like, don't even just cancel my sleep. Don't worry about it. And also my appetite, like I had berries today, y'all. I had blueberries and strawberries. I ain't even had no yogurt. I had a protein shake. And I don't know, but I can't be doing this because I can't get skinny, okay? I gotta stay thick, period. Get thicker. So I took me out a piece of fish, so I think I'm gonna have fish with maybe a sweet potato and a broccoli or something like that. I don't know when I'm gonna make that, so y'all probably won't even see that in this vlog. But if you go follow me on Instagram, more than likely I'll upload a picture. So by the time you guys see that vlog, check out my story and you can see what I had for dinner, what I decide to have, or if I had any. If I didn't, clearly I won't post anything. But y'all, I'm just sitting here making my rounds with my phone calls. I was talking to my aunt. I was talking to Shay. I was talking to some of my other friends, y'all, and just kind of chilling. Just chilling, girl. So, oh, let me tell y'all, like, I'm really low-key mad right now, but I'm really like trying to calm down and get back to my little happy place. I don't even want to think about it or talk about it, but I was trying to get the phone for my aunt, y'all, for Christmas. I don't think she watches my vlogs. I hope not, because it gets crazy over here. But I don't even want nobody that I know to watch my vlogs, but I know they do. So, but I appreciate the support. I really do. But anyways, I'm so pissed, y'all, because like I had to call her and be like, hey, Verizon got these AirPods on sale or whatever, and I need me a new pair. And mind you, I just got AirPods, y'all. Like, I got my first pair of AirPod Pros like a few weeks ago, because me and Eric Shay thing has been talking on the phone early in the morning while we getting ready for work and stuff. So we be talking on the phone like all morning. So I don't want it to be obvious while I'm at work, of course. So that's why I bought me some AirPods. She's like, you need to get you some AirPods. So I finally got me some AirPods. So y'all know I be all over the place, but I gotta tell y'all a whole story. So I was like, they got them on sale and stuff, but they said that somebody needs to have a Verizon account in order for me to get them. And she like, okay. I was like, I just want to know if I could just, they gonna just send you a code or whatever, you know. And she like, okay, that's fine. Like, she was so chill. And she was like, I got you AirPods for Christmas. I'm like, oh my God. I don't know what I'm gonna do. And then I went by this other spot, and they were like, an iPhone 14 Pro is like $1,400 and you can do credit or whatever. I just want to pay for it for one. Just go and pay for it. But $1,400? Hell no. When Verizon has told me like $900. So in the morning, I'm going to try to get up early. That's why I'm going to go ahead and try to get this vlog up and stuff. What time is it now? Now it's 6. Almost about to be 7 o'clock. But I'm going to try to get up early so that I can go and get what I need. I'm gonna try to go to Verizon again. I'm gonna try to do Best Buy. I don't know. I don't even know. I just really want her to have this as a gift, and it's frustrating because in a minute I'm just about to go to the bank. Like, don't even worry about it, because it's irritating as fuck. And then I also thought about, I was like, well, maybe I should just take her up there, because even the guy that was helping me, he was real nice. He was just like, why don't you just bring her up here tomorrow and just say, hey, just ride with me for a minute. Girl, since COVID, my auntie ain't going nowhere, first of all. But I don't know, because I'm scared that if I tell her I'm getting her a phone from Christmas, she gonna be like, no, I don't want you to buy me a phone. You get what I'm saying? Oh, my light turned off. I don't want her to tell me no. Like, I want her to just accept it and just take it. It's complicated, y'all. What other gift ideas? Help me, y'all. It's like, we like day 2 on this Christmas countdown. Or is this day 3? Day 3, I think. Yeah. I need help. Like, I need some really good gift ideas. But I feel like it's so late for anything. Even for a gift from my mama, y'all. Like, it's going to be money for her. Because I don't even know what else to do. Like, it's so late. Like, it's too late to order anything. If you're not getting it like right now today in the store, you might as well don't even worry about it. I was trying to get mama these Steve Madden sneakers, y'all. Nothing is just, everything is just getting crazy. Let's just say I was not prepared for Christmas this year. Like, Christmas literally caught me by surprise. Ain't shit under my tree but case and stuff. None of that tree but case and stuff. I don't even have a gift for myself, okay? But I buy myself too much stuff anyway. Like, since I've been missing in action, y'all, as I go, when I go places, now that I'm getting back into vlogging or whatever I'm doing, or when I pull it out, whatever, when I decide to wear it, I'm gonna show y'all, and then I'm gonna tell y'all how long ago I bought it, like I always do. Cause it's ridiculous. I just be shopping. I got a cart full on rainbow shops right now, ready for me to check out. Okay, I just be ordering stuff. It's a bad habit, yeah, real bad. But I don't know, help me out, y'all. Like I wanted to get her something this year that she would actually need, like not something that, you know, a want or something like that, or something I want her to have. It's something that she needs, like, yeah, period. But anyways, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get this video edited and up so you guys can have a chance to actually watch it and enjoy it. All right, let me go, because y'all know I be going on and on and on, but I just didn't want to I wanted to let y'all know how my day went and what I had going on, because I was so pissed. Besides me going to the gym and releasing all the energy, now I'm filled back up with it. Sheesh, I'm telling y'all. All right, well, I will see you guys tomorrow. Check out my story. In the meantime, good night. See y'all tomorrow. Bye, y'all.